Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, it's doing very well, but the only sector which is not showing some big returns is meme tokens. But at the same time, Doge is holding on to its price very well. What I mean by that is you guys can see the trading volume has dipped a little bit, close to 2 billion, but it is still well above the Cardano slot. And there are some driving factors. First of all, the AI Grok hints at Dogecoin payments. Elon Musk keeps retweeting Doge designer, and at the same time there are some local businesses that have started accepting Dogecoin. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. You'll just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Dogecoin, the social engagement of Doge increases, more people are paying attention to it, more people buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I just want to mention something important. Doge is still sitting very comfortably at the 8th slot. What I mean by that is by market cap, it is the 8th largest token. Now, also, if you pay attention to the trading volume, it is down 25%. Do I think it's a big deal? Actually, not at all, because I personally feel like this is just the beginning to another explosive move. But what is going to be a really important note is we need to make sure that we're able to break above the 18-cent mark, as that is going to be a very important, let's just say, testing period. Now, this gives you a little bit of indication, so you can see that resistance has been following this line for Doge quite well, and at the same time support 1, support 2. Now the resistance is being touched, and then there was a little bit of recovery, and you can see that being able to break above this resistance has become a little bit harder for Doge. If it does break above the 18-cent mark, well, there will be not much things slowing it down. Now let's talk about Grok. If you do not know, that is the AI which is part of Twitter. Now today someone decided to ask something to Grok. When asked, can I send or receive Dogecoin on X? The mobile version of Grok said the process is remarkably straightforward for those looking to engage in Doge transactions. Now, yes, you can send and receive Doge on X. X supports Dogecoin transactions and allows you to store, send, and receive Doge using the platform. To send Doge on X, follow the steps. Open the X, ensure that your Doge is in the wallet, click send, and enter the recipient's username. Now, why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand, 1st of April is coming very close. Since the 1st of January, the official Twitter page of X Payments has been created, but nothing new has actually come out of it. What I mean by that is nothing has been posted on that platform, and specifically that Twitter account. Now, since then, everyone's been talking a lot of things about it, and a lot of people are talking about how 1st of April is going to be their first tweet and they're going to start accepting Dogecoin, or at least tweet something relating to Dogecoin. So does that mean Grok, the AI, actually knows the background, and obviously it is being created by Twitter? So does this mean that we might be getting accepting of Dogecoin very, very soon? Now, Elon Musk, now today, the Wall Street Journal is dying, and Elon simply responded to that by saying bye-bye. And he's obviously retweeting the Doge designer. So there's just so many interesting pieces that you can put together in terms of what is yet to come for Dogecoin to perform really big. In simple terms, just pay attention. 1st of April is going to be a big day. Elon's going to be posting some big, meme relating to Dogecoin. Maybe now, seeing what Grok is saying, let's just say maybe X Payments will be accepting Dogecoin and it will be integrated into Twitter. And the third thing is obviously Coinbase futures will be releasing at the same time. Now, I just want to mention, this is really cute, but this just gives you perspective that even local businesses are now trying to be close to Doge. Also, let's talk about the price action. As I mentioned, we have tested the 18-cent mark actually a couple of times. Now, this is actually the 1-day chart, and you can see that around the 18-cent mark previously, we did actually see a lot of resistance. So right now, we might actually go into a little bit of consolidation zone. If the price just doesn't fall, that's pretty much what we need right now. And as Bitcoin is about to break over, I'm talking about over 70K mark, Doge will be following that trend very, very soon. Another thing which is interesting is this gives you perspective. We're in the final week of the first quarter of 2024. What a quarter it has been. Up next quarter, X Payments, 420 Bitcoin halving. So first of all, couple of things this is missing. 1st of April is going to include the Coinbase event, and the 15th of April is also going to be a big day for Dogecoin, as in previous experiences, a lot of people have noticed that Dogecoin usually has an explosive move forward. And also talking about Doge 1, I honestly gave up on Doge 1. I don't doubt it will happen, but it will really important it would have on date or have been done on dates in previous schedule. If Doge does happen, it will probably close or at the top and be selling at the news event. Do I agree with it? Maybe a little bit, yes, because it's being a little bit hard to predict. On the other end, this is another whale which I wanted to show you guys. So since the 12th of March, when the price hit the 17-cent mark, this person, all these dips, they decided to not buy anything else. Comes back to 17 cents, they buy another $10 million worth of Dogecoin. Being patient for 12 days and waiting for the price to come back. Personally, I feel like this is a little bit of a bad decision in my opinion, as they could have definitely decreased their average buy price. I mean, if you pay attention to what they purchased before, I don't think they mind, but I would personally prefer to buy at 14 cents. On the other end, this is another wallet which has been buying very constantly, but you can see that these sales in the middle are one of the reasons why this resistance is becoming such a big problem. Now close to 18 cents, 17 cents, people like to take profit, and that's why the price becomes a lot harder to keep climbing. Now going to break past the 18 cents today, that's been expected by a lot of people on Twitter, but will that be happening? And let's just say Grok has been everywhere initiating the Dogecoin payment, and you can see to send the Dogecoin, this is what you do, which is simply pick the person, send your Doge. To receive the Dogecoin, you just need to click on receive. You have the unique wallet, you need to just ask that person to send it to you. Now keep in mind, if this gets integrated, that means X will also have to have their own sort of wallet which will be accepting Dogecoin, and that will be interesting to see. What's going on with Dogecoin? Honestly, there's just so much news around it. Will this be a news sell event? I don't know. Personally, I would be actually really shocked if that is, because right now the whole market is in a positive trend. We're just about 15 to 20 days away from Bitcoin halving event, and that's going to be one of the driving factors for the whole crypto market, and especially Doge will be doing some numbers. Now, Doge price prediction. Can Doge reach $1 this bull run? And the answer is simple. Yes, it wouldn't be super easy, but by the end of April, I'm personally expecting it to do it that early and be able to make it. We just need Doge and Bitcoin to be together. Now, Doge is a meme blue chip. What does that mean? Well, in simple terms, a blue chip means this is going to be something that you need to pay attention to, as one that's here to stay, just like well-established blue chip stocks in traditional market. And a lot of people are calling Doge the blue chip. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.